Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Monday the 27th of November 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. Now, obviously, we had a quiet close to the end of last week, with it being holidays in the US. And I will just flag a few interesting points of note. First of all, continued strength in the euro, 119.29 shortly before we came on air. Among the week's biggest movers, the Mexican peso, a change of 2.21% there against the US dollar. Staying with the dollar, look where the dollar index has found itself this morning, 92.76, so creeping lower again. The main mover though, Bitcoin, 17.12% up on the week, trading with a $9,600 handle shortly before we went live. Now, moving away from foreign exchange for the moment, for the chart of the day, take a look at this chart. Plot of leading Chinese equities, the Shanghai A index. As you can see, we sold off quite hard over the last few sessions, and we've come back to a very interesting level here around 3,500 or just below that, in fact. So keep a close eye on those, because maybe Chinese equities are trying to tell us something, and what their next move may be pivotal to how we finish the year. Okay, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets today. It's another quietish day as far as major data is concerned. We start around 9 o'clock GMT with Italian consumer and business confidence data. We'll also have an interesting release from the EU at that point, the Financial Stability Review, always closely watched and well regarded. That particular report have to wait until 3 o'clock GMT, so a big gap in the middle of the day. And at 3 o'clock we'll get new home sales for October out of the US, and at 15:30 we'll have the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for November. And then another great big gap until 8:30 2030 GMT, and we will have CFTC data on commodities and currencies. And then to finish the day at 22:30, Neil Kashkari will be speaking in the US. Okay, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight and over the weekend. First of all, then, Korean tech stocks have dropped sharply on a downgrade for Samsung by US investment bank Morgan Stanley, and that has led a wider move in Asia. Cyber Monday sales in the US today are expected to reach an impressive $6.6 billion. The Northern Irish border problem is becoming an increasing sticking point for the wider Brexit negotiations. And as we noted, Bitcoin has hit new highs and is possibly heading for $10,000, that according to MarketWatch.com. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day, and maybe have a think about this. Perhaps it's a good thing that the Reserve Bank of Australia hasn't raised, or rushed I should say, to raise interest rates. A couple of charts here that just show exactly how highly geared towards the house market the Australian economy is, and so rising interest rates might not be a good thing for them. This according to research from Bloomberg data. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading foreign exchange and CFDs on margin can be a risky business. If you have any doubts about those risks or have any other questions, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative.